Fish, you can have it crumbed, baked, grilled, you can even eat it raw. But today I'm going to cook you the way I love to eat it. My name is Shane and today I'm going to cook you beer battered fish and tartar sauce. For this beer battered fish recipe, we're going to need 4 fish fillets, 375 mils or 12 ounces of your favourite beer, 1 cup of self-raising flour. If you don't have self-raising flour, just use 1 cup of all-purpose flour and add 1 teaspoon of baking powder and 1 teaspoon of salt. Just got some plain flour here just to dust over the fish so the batter sticks to it. Now the important thing to remember about this beer batter recipe is the beer must be really cold. I've just got this straight out of the fridge because the colder the batter, the crispier the fish will be. So all we're going to do now is just add the beer to the self-raising flour. Don't add it all straight away. And we want to get a pancake type batter out of this, same consistency as pancake batter. But we want to try to do it without whisking it so much as well, because we don't want to get all the air out of it. It's a bit thick still. Okay, I didn't use all the beer for this, but this is the type of the consistency that we want. Like a pancake batter. I'm going to whack this back in the fridge to get it nice and cold while I work on the tartar sauce. What we're going to do for this tartar sauce is 1 cup of mayonnaise, 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard, 1 teaspoon of chopped capers, 1/4 cup of parsley. I've got about 1/4 cup of sweet pickled cucumber, and just a squeeze of lemon. Okay, this bit's super simple. Chuck everything in a bowl and mix away. We're going to just add a squeeze of lemon. Just let it run through your fingers just to catch the seeds so they don't go into your tartar sauce. Little tip for you. Just going to have a little taste of this to see if I need anything else. Oh yum, that's perfect. If you don't have sweet pickled cucumber, you can just use dill pickles or gherkin. Okay, just going to add the oil to the deep dish pan. Now I've added about 1 litre of oil into this pan. I'm just going to let this heat up on a medium to high heat. Now I've rinsed off this fish with some water. I'm just pat drying it. Just get it nice and dry. We want the fish to be dry so when we put it in the oil it doesn't go soggy. Okay, the batter's freshly out of the fridge and now I'm just going to place this fish in flour into the batter. We want to get this oil to about 190 degrees Celsius or about 375 degrees Fahrenheit. If you don't have a thermometer, a good way of testing to see if the oil is ready to cook is just drop a bit of batter in it. If it starts bubbling and sits on the surface, the oil is ready to cook. When working with hot oil, you've got to be really careful. So what I'm going to do is let all the excess batter drip off the fish. And when I put the fish in the oil, just move it backwards and forwards for a couple of seconds. And when you place the fish in the oil, just place it away from your body. So if there's any backsplash of the oil, it doesn't come up and hit you and burn you. Now I'm just going to leave this in the oil for about 3 minutes and turn it over. And then when it's nice and brown, after about 6 to 7 minutes, it should be ready. One good thing about cooking beer battered fish is if you've got any leftover beer, beautiful. Okay, it's been about 6 minutes. Now I'm just going to take this out of the oil, just drain it a little. And now what we're going to do is we're going to put it straight on a wire rack. We don't want to put it straight on paper towel, because if you put it straight on paper towel, then the bottom of the fish becomes soggy, and you don't want that. You want the batter to be nice and crispy. I'm just going to add a nice dollop of this tartar sauce on the plate here. Yum. Now, listen to this. Listen to how crispy this fish is. Oh, yum. Bit of tartar sauce over. That is really nice. Okay guys, that's the end of the video. Hit that thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Or hit that thumbs down if you don't like eating Nemo. Subscribe for more, and I'll see you next time.